Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing landcast.com. But before we get into the review, while you're waiting for my next video, scammers are still targeting you right now. That's why I put together this research system that you can use right away. Link in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here guys, this is what landcast.com looks like. And basically, right off the bat, I'm just going to tell you that this website is a scam. Since if we open up another website, which is this one, or swap.com, this is basically the same, just by a different color and a different picture. So there are a lot of websites like this that look exactly the same. They just change the picture and the image, or the image and the color of it. And basically, they have the same logo if you look right here. And as you can see here on Trustpilot, they're rated 2.8. with only 3 reviews. I don't know why it's rated 2.8 with 100% of them is 1 star. So as you can see, this person said this is a scam. They will not give you your money back. Scam, I paid $700 and they want more and more. So please guys, avoid putting your email, password, or anything into this website, since they could very well be compromised. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.